My name is Mark Mello. I'm the head sports turf manager for the Philadelphia Union. We are here for the Jacobsen Show and Mow, which is outlining the electrical equipment that we use on a day-to-day basis. What we're looking for is a firm surface, a smooth surface, and it looks perfect. There's not a blade of grass out of place, and we use our Jacobsen equipment to help us with that. We mow all of our fields and care for our fields exactly the same way. The only difference is the stadium we use the Eclipse 360, and on the practice fields we utilize the SLF1s. These lithium batteries have been game changers for what we do here. We save 40% annually on diesel fuel, and the fact that we can double cut an entire field in the stadium without having to recharge, very important. We don't have a mechanic, so I can fix everything on these mowers. I can adjust the heights, I can adjust the cut. Everything on these machines is bulletproof. They're easy to figure out. All of my staff knows how to use every piece of equipment, and it's because they're so easy to use. I trust everybody to do every job.
Back in the mid-90s, I started thinking about going electric. I was trying to be that step ahead of everybody else. I used them maybe 1 or 2 seasons and then all kinds of problems. Years passed and here we are, 2025, and I'm here trying to look at and evaluate the new electric Jacobsen mowers, from fairway mowers down to the walk mowers. And I'm impressed. Ease of operation, the quietness, and just the maintenance. If we get 10 years out of any mower on a golf course, we're doing good. We beat the shit out of this stuff. So we're looking for dependability. And if these batteries can hold 10 years, before they get replaced, the savings that you have from all the maintenance you're doing on a traditional diesel-operated, gasoline-operated piece of machinery, it's just no comparison.